Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required to verify trust of the developer. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to install the app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device, and if there is any update available for you like this, simply update it. And after this, go back and now scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here, and then tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly from here. Then go back and now tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. And then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is now working properly. So guys, check your internet connection and after this try to install the app again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.